I did not intend to do an unboxing, but this was just too pretty to not show everyone. This is my first order from Nagi, I believe is how it's pronounced, nagilifestyle.com. And look what happens when you open the box. You have a nice little bundle of all your goodies laid out inside. So let's get rid of this box. Whoops, that was loud. And show you what it is. Excuse me, I got. Hi, this is Nancy with Scathingly Brilliant Idea. And I have some shadows here that you will have to excuse because of the lighting right now. But first off, on top, you get a card that says thank you for your order and to tear here to find out your little fortune for your next creative adventure. So I will get 10% off my next order. That was already opened, so I don't know if they pre-selected that one for me or not. But there's that. There's a little package in here, and then some other little paper goodies, my invoice. And let's open up this. That's pretty. There are more papers inside. So an extra freebie for you. Got a little coffee cup, little blue, no, it's teacup set. Little blue teacup set. That's cute. And these different, a sticker. Now this is, yeah, that's a sticker. These are just different papers. So there's that. Now let's see what goodies I have inside. I should also show you this is lined and it would make great scrapbook material. So it comes with this green and white ribbon and their sticker with their logo, which I love these colors. Let's see if I can try to get it off without tearing too much of the sticker itself. Their logo colors of that kind of dark green with the pink. It's a really nice combo. You don't see that very often. So inside, this is what I got. I purchased these ginkgo leaf TNs because I am a sucker for ginkgo leaves. They showed in the picture there were different covers, so I thought by ordering two I would get one of each cover, but I got two of the same cover. And if you open this up, you will see the paper inside is all of these different colors. So you've got the text, and they're all textured. So this is for scrapbooking, not writing directly onto. Very nice. I also purchased a seal sticker pocket file. That is something to put more stickers and ephemera in. It has a nice notches here to keep the band in place. I purchased this notebook, which they gave a paper sample in that little freebie pack I showed you. But there are 4 different designs in this that are all numbers. And these are not Post-its or anything. They're just papers that you can jot down notes on, or use as part of your decorating. In here are some more notebooks I ordered. This one is a to-do list that comes pre-printed with dates, times, checks for when you got it done. And this is Midori paper. 80 sheets it looks like on this. And this was like a wavy grid paper, which I thought was unique too. It's too much glare for you to see without me taking this plastic off. And I did not bring my little slicer thing over here. Let me see if I can get this off. I may have to come back to that. These are some papers that have a collection of mugs on them. And again, these are just notepads. This is a sticky note that is month by month. And so these, oh, it's like a flap. Okay, no, they're not. They're all left. The glue is on the left, and you take these off one by one, and the glue goes, looks like halfway through. So you stick off the month that you need and apply it to the paper that you're wanting to tab with. That was unique. I had not seen that before. And this is Greeting Life, made in Japan. There's an example of a use for it there. So I'm going to go find a cutter for this, but I think I know what's in here. This has my washi that I ordered. And so let me go grab something to open that and this so you can see it. There we go. Now I will be able to give you a better look at this grid paper. So again, this is just a notepad, and it's a grid, but it's like a distorted grid. So it has a wavy line. And that was just too cute to pass up as well. This is made in Korea by Analog Keep, it looks like is the brand. Now for these washies. This is a window washi. I'll open it up down here. There's lots of different varieties out there with the window theme. This is a unique one I had not seen. I'm going to get this started for you. There we go. So this is clear pet tape, and these are not die cut. So if you want to use them individually, you have to fussy cut them. If you want to use them in strips, you can use them in whatever strip you want. Let's see for pattern repeat here. So we've got that is a green slanted window. Okay, so it looks like this is pretty much the length of the pattern here. And sorry, this is not easy for you to see because I'm doing it over all this other stuff. Let me see if I can move this. Make it a little easier for you to see. Okay. So this is the pattern. Okay. That's one of the washies. Pet tape roll. This is another. And this one is table weave. And birds. Birds and people. Bird watchers. Okay. So let's get a clean shot here. Pairs of birds and a bird watcher and a director, a controller, and then it goes into a white strip. Different designs on this white strip. All birds and a bird watcher. And then we're back to this green. So you get the two sections with, is it the same? Yeah, it's the same design, but you get the white and black here, and you get the green with the white illustration and the black outline on the figures. Very cool. Now, where did that last one go? Here it is. This one is made in Japan. And this one was a seasonal one, as I recall. So I got the winter season. It doesn't feel like it today, but it's coming around the corner. It's actually not that hot today, but it has been, we've had a few beastly days this summer. So this, I will show you. Is actually, it's a sticky paper. So it's like the whole thing is a tape, and they said it was designated as a note. So there's little perforations along here. Let me back that up, see if I can find one for you. It looks like that's a perforation there. No, they're just, yeah, there's one. So there's a perforation. Is this one too? Yeah, there's one. They're hard to see. It's right by the tree here. Okay, so these are the different perforations. Is there any more? Yeah, there's more designs on here too. I'm not going to tear any more off, but it looks like there's two more designs on here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 designs on this sheet. Now you would think I would have a pen handy. Let me go grab one of those too. So let's see how that works. So I'm just going to lay it down here. I'll come in a little bit closer so you can see. The paper does have some coating on it, so I'm going to check and see how a fountain pen works on it. This is Esterbrook Niblet in the stub. You saw my stub video. This is the one I did not have. I had their mini stub, I had the journaler, but I did not have a conventional stub. And I don't know that this is the best type of pen to use for this, because I do see feathering on this. I mean, it soaks into it. You would not want it to transfer onto anything you want it to put on. But it does, it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Stable. It's not, it won't rub off once you lay it down. Wouldn't recommend this to be the best for a stub nib. Let me go see if I can get a different kind of pen. This might be cheating a little bit because I'm using a Sarasa mark-on. This obviously I shouldn't have any problem with. Oops. Except for writing so hard now, it's going through the, poked a little hole. But yeah, that works just fine on it. And as you would expect from the mark-on, it's clear. So it works best with a gel, probably a ballpoint or felt tip even pen. Would not recommend it for at least a very wide fountain pen. So there you have it. There's my little haul from Nagi.